Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, Ganesh. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am doing good as well. Thank you so much. How was your day?
Ma'am, it is normal.
What did you do?
Ma'am, I ate my food, I took a bath, and this thing I have done till now.
Okay, that is great. And yesterday you didn't have a class, so how did you spend your day?
Mm, uh, I spend my day like normally.
Normally, how you spend your day?
I woke up at 11:30, or you can say 11:30 or 12 o'clock. Then I took a bath because I thought that I am having a class. Then when I took a bath, then my father told me that uh, Bhavya ma'am called me and said that you are not having class today. And
Yes,
then,
because I got vaccination yesterday, so I was not at all feeling well. Like I had severe fever and
yeah,
vomiting.
my mother and father has also got vaccine. So they're all, my mother is not feeling good. Even
She's
my
not,
father is fine.
she's still not feeling good?
Uh, right now she's fine, but
When she
yesterday
got it,
she was.
yes. Yes, me and my
No,
sister, we both.
she got the vaccine. My mother and father got the vaccine mm, 2 days ago.
Me and my sister got vaccination. I mean, got
Hmm.
vaccine, but I was still feeling good. But my sister is having severe fever since last 2 days. Like yesterday we got, so कल तो पूरा दिन she was having severe fever,
In my
heartbreak.
family, no one got fever.
Now my sister got heavy fever, and she's also feeling very nauseatic. She puked to so many times. She's feeling very nauseatic. On the other hand, I'm just having body ache and fever, but I can't take leave for more than 1 day, so I have to take classes today. But I'm feeling good, not that bad. The worst thing of this vaccination is that your hand hurts a lot. You can't move your hand. Hello, Kanish.
Sorry, ma'am, my internet connection was unstable.
Yeah, I was saying the worst thing about this vaccination is that your
Hmm.
hand hurts a lot. You literally cannot move your
Yeah,
hand.
yeah.
इतना ज्यादा दर्द, इतना ज्यादा, लिटरली ऐसा लगता है कि 10 किलो का पत्थर लटका दिया हो किसी ने. Like somebody had tied 10 kgs stone or something like that. It's that heavy and you can't even move your hand. But yeah, it's okay. You got it once now. Hello, hello, hello,
Ma'am.
Kanish. Yes, is your Wi-Fi working properly? Give me a minute. Hello. Hello, Kanishk, you're on mute. Oh, cha, you're drinking water. Drink, drink, drink.
No, ma'am, it is fine. Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, I'm so sorry. I got a call from the team regarding something, so I had to pick up the call. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, yes. So, uh,
Yeah.
I was saying, can I have a word with your dad regarding the assessment that we had done? I need to talk about the test that we have done, so I need to discuss about the same. So,
Right now?
yeah.
Okay. Papa, ma'am is calling you.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm good. How are you?
Very good. Yes.
Uh,
Tell me, how are things with you, first of all? Because yesterday you called up, there was some medical emergency or something. What happened?
I just got my vaccination, so I was having very high fever and nauseatic, and I was feeling
Okay.
like I'll just
Covishield.
faint. Yes, yes, Covishield. So
In fact, we did it like couple of days back on
yes,
Tuesday.
yes, Kanix told me, and the thing was that our whole family took it together, so there was no one to look after for another person. So
Everybody was affected.
yes, everyone was
I think this
having
will
high
go.
fever. Yeah.
I think this will go now, and this should be fine. You guys should be fine now. After a couple of days, it you get recover.
We just got it yesterday, so abhi to we are still having fever and the arm is
Okay.
paining like crazy. I mean, I cannot even lift my arm, the arm where I got my vaccine.
Yes,
So I cannot
that is
even
there.
lift that arm. Yeah, so that is that. But I guess
I
the
understand.
doctor said that it will be there for 2 to 3 days. You'll be okay after that. So we are
Yes.
relying on the doctor. I wanted to
Yes.
talk about the assessment test I took for Kanishk. I guess on Monday, if I'm not wrong. I guess it was the day when you went out to get the vaccination. So that day I took assessment test of Kanish. It was either Friday or Monday. I don't
It
remember
was
the day.
Monday. It was Monday.
Yeah, Monday. Yes, yes, yes. So I wanted to ask, have you seen the video because I have uploaded it on the feedback form. So have you gone through the video?
Yes, I have seen it.
Yeah. Do you have any feedback or like because I have to conduct a PTM after the feedback, so I didn't get the time. So I called you right now to discuss
So my
about the
feedback is same as yours. You have also mentioned him at the end of the video call, and also you have mentioned in the emailer where you give the feedback that he is making minor mistakes of has, have, and does, do. So that is what he is still making those mistakes. Otherwise, fluency he has improved. That is there. So, but our aim is not to only like improve at this level, but beyond this. So that is what we are looking, Kanishk. Like he should be more fluent than as he is currently.
okay, more fluent than the current level he is at right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Anything else?
Nothing apart from that. I think you are doing the good thing that you encourage him to talk more. That is what is expected, and he also enjoys that. The day there were idioms classes, he was shouting on me, "Why, Papa? Why idioms?" I said that this will also help you. He said I did not get opportunity to talk that day, so he feels uncomfortable when here he's not able to talk much. So in any case, whenever you are doing theoretical classes, give him 10 minutes at the end to speak. He loves talking, and you have gotten his nerves that he likes YouTube. You're talking to him about YouTube a lot and Minecraft. So he is open up and he is very comfortable while talking to you. So that is really good. Keep it up. Look for how he can improve and how you can give him tasks. Like one day I gave him challenge of he does vlogging. I have seen your videos and he speaks his heart out with you. So I told him that you need to do vlogging in English. Why don't you should do that. So if he's doing that, he will improve himself. He's not able to find words. He will stress on his mind and look for it. Ask us. So you need to give him creative assignments. It should not, he should not feel like it is burden, but he should enjoy doing it. If he's making any video, then you have to give him instruction that, okay, Kanesh, if you are doing video games, you are doing anything, you will have to do commentary in English,
Yeah, yeah,
whatever the way it is. And I will watch your video. I will watch at least once in a week. You should not feel bored. You should not feel very overloaded. At least once in a week, you should do these things in English, just for your improvisation, and you will also have fun.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I know, because if I talk about any other topic, it's like, ma'am, it's too boring. I don't know what to talk about. So, घूम फिर के we come back to games and YouTube and food. These three topics we can talk about for hours and hours. Like, at least he speaks for this topic for hours and hours. So I know that these
Yes,
are the things which he enjoys to talk about. He loves to talk about this particular topic, and he's been very honest with me that, ma'am, please don't talk about this topic. I don't have much insight to put into. I don't know what to talk about. I'll just give you answers in 2 to 3 sentences, and then I'll be done. So it's better if we switch topics or we talk about something else. So we always find ways like this. The issue which
yes,
I'm facing is that we did has and have, do, does, and the pronouns, which is he, she, his, her, wala things in the very beginning of the class. So when
I
I
know.
actually started with the fluency, I made sure that the base is clear. So बीच में he was very okay, very proper with has things. But अब क्या हो रहा है that he is making mistakes a lot in this has have and do does and he she. So my
I
issue
think he
is
is
that.
over stressing. He's just over stressing on these things. So that is the reason he is getting nervous on these terms. Otherwise, he knows. When I watch your video, sometimes he's also along with me. And when he speaks wrong, you always correct him. That is a very good habit. But sometimes what happens, I pause and ask him, ये तो गलत है. What should have be the right thing? Then he tells me,
Hmm.
Papa, this should be the right thing, but I don't know how I said it incorrectly. So that means he knows. It is just that we need to be
Unconsciously.
careful.
Mhm.
Yes. So he gets nervous now for has have and his him and does do for these things. So you will have to
Yeah.
emphasize on these things more
Yes,
now.
I have to be
Yes.
patient with that because I feel that unconsciously his focus is on fluency. कि मुझे अटक अटक के नहीं बोलना. I have to be fluent enough. It should be in the flow. So his main focus is on that. That's why unconsciously he's making mistakes in pronouns, personal pronouns, and this helping verbs, which is okay. I'll
Yes.
work on that. I'll look after that. I don't have any such other feedback to give you other than this. These were the things I need to discuss about with you. Other
Yes.
than that, he's
I
doing
saw
good.
your comment. I saw your comment regarding this.
He,
So fairly noted. So start. In fact, you keep working on this and just take him up to the next level. How and how he can initiate the conversation with the people. Because what happens when I'm talking to my seniors, it is not about seniors. When I'm going to the public place, I need to tell him that now you need to talk to this fellow in English.
hmm,
So I don't think I need to tell him again and again. And now you have to talk in English. Now you have to talk in Hindi. So that should not be the thing. He should himself come ahead and say, "Let me handle this and let me talk to your boss or your seniors in that language." So he should be very comfortable with it. And that's all. I think you are doing the right thing. Just ensure that he does not make fool of anyone, you or me or any one of us, because he's very smart in that way. So just keep it up. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Please carry on.
have a nice day. Okay, Kanish. Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Yes. Why does the dad have to tell you to speak in English when you already know how to speak in English very nicely?
And it was before when I was not taking these classes.
Now tell your dad that, dad, I want to talk to your senior, और चलो यार पापा बात तो कराओ अपने friend के साथ, and show him that you are very fluent in English now, and it's not only with Bhavya ma'am that you're fluent with everyone. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, tell your dad that not because Bhavya ma'am, not only with Bhavya ma'am I'm fluent with each and every person I talk to. We have done so many role play activities. Almost एक vendor वाली role play activity we have done, and we have improved a lot in those role play
Yes, ma'am.
activities. So now you are ready. Now if you go to a
Ma'am,
shoe store.
sometimes,
Hmm.
ma'am, sometimes I say my friend any idiom, Kali. So he don't understand. He even don't reply.
He doesn't understand. Kiki Sat does. So he doesn't understand. He doesn't even
Okay.
reply. Because
He
maybe
doesn't understand.
yes, because maybe he is not. मैंने बोला था ना आपको, the people who know the average level of English, they are not at all aware with the idioms and how to use them. The people who know beyond that, above that, a good level of English, they know how to use idioms and proverbs. Now, I myself is a literature student. Okay, I am a literature student. Our work is this, we study this. So if you actually talk to me when I'm in my classes or when I'm in school, I'm telling you half of the things you won't even understand because our set of vocabulary is totally different. आप किसी के लिए जो word use करते हो, we use totally different word for them. We use most of the times our language is usually of idioms and phrases. So if you also want, your dad really wants you to go to that level, okay, because that is why he has enrolled you in these classes. So it's better if you use idioms and all. And you have also realized this that when you use idiom, you feel kind of royal, you know, like different. के, हाँ यार मुझे तो इन लोगों से
Because
ज्यादा अच्छी
people
इंग्लिश
don't
आती
even
है.
understand what I'm saying. They don't understand.
Yes, but in a way that does make you feel better, right? कि यार my English
Yes,
is
ma'am.
so much better than these guys that they don't even understand it now, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, so it's better if you actually use those idioms in your day-to-day life. They will really improve a lot. They will improve a lot of spoken in you. They will improve a lot of fluency in you. And you know what? Not only in this, even when you will be writing an essay, up to sooner or later, schools are going to reopen. So even when you will be in school and you will have letters or essay writing or picture composition, many things.
Yeah.
We have that whole grammar and composition section. Usme when you use it, na this idioms and all, your teacher would be like, oh my god, Kanishk is writing like this, very good, this is nice. I didn't
Yeah.
expect from my
This
students.
is
So
a good idea.
yes, idioms and phrases are for that only. You have to use them. Spoken में तो we use only, but it is mostly for writing part. See, when you write, it's something
Like you
different.
can say this is for style.
Yes. जैसे कि बाल में क्या करते हैं, नॉर्मल बॉयज हैव दिस वेरी नाइस ऐसे करके बाल, बट आपको अगर स्टाइल बने, इफ यू वांट टू लुक डिफरेंट, यू सेट योर हेयर विद जेल, यू डू ब्लो ड्राई एंड
Yeah.
ऑल, राइट?
Spiky
हाँ.
hairs.
Yes, so you look different. In the same way, it's with the language also. If you want to speak, just you want to improve your spoken and fluency. तो आप जो हो अभी, you are perfectly fine. But if you want to stand
Yeah.
out of the crowd, you know my English is better than others, my vocabulary is better than others.
So
I
do
know.
idioms and other things also.
Yes, improve your vocabulary. That's it, nothing else. And that is what we are going to do
Okay.
now. Okay. Another thing is कि I have also noticed this. Your dad has also noticed this that when you are speaking, ना आप conscious मत हो जाओ कि यार मैं गलती करूँगा, गलती करूँगा, गलती करूँगा. See, I'm your teacher.
Yes,
My
yeah,
yeah.
ma'am. This happens with me that if I would be wrong, so ma'am will say, so I should be correct. So
हाँ.
that thing I thought no.
See, what I'm saying is that I'm your teacher, okay? My duty is to correct you. Whenever you'll be wrong,
Yeah.
my duty is to correct you. That is what I am here for. Okay, that is why your dad has chosen me as your teacher and not someone else, because that is the trait which your dad likes in me as a teacher for you. कि या ये जो मैम है वो कनिष्क को हमेशा करेक्ट करते हैं, ओके, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि यू बिकम कॉन्शियस कि यार गलती करूंगा तो मैम वापस से ठीक करेंगे, यार गलती करूंगा तो मैम वापस से ठीक करेंगे. डोंट फील लाइक दैट, ओके. Understand this that we are having a very friendly conversation. I'm not like other teachers. If you just go and see other teachers, they are very strict. They teach in certain different manner. My teaching is very different. So I am having a very friendly conversation. The only way which you will feel that she is my teacher is that I just correct you now and then, now and then, now and then. Nothing else. I'm neither strict. I'm nor that nosy teacher who will complain to your parents about everything you do here and there. I'm not like that. The only thing which I do is whenever you're speaking, I just correct you because that's what my job is. But that doesn't mean that you have to be conscious and you have to consciously think in the back of your mind कि he's her करना है, do does करना है, happen करना है. ये आप मत करो. जितना आप सोचोगे ना करिश, the more you'll think, the more mistakes you'll make. So don't think about that. Okay? Go very smoothly, very slowly. आप जैसे बोल रहे हो वैसे बोलो. Whenever you'll go wrong, I'm here to correct you. And I know you're very smart, so you'll definitely pick that thing in your mind. Okay, yes, I don't have to do this in the next class because I've seen it in me. आप could बोल रहे थे उसका can बोल करना सिखाया मैंने. So now you are speaking can. You can say. पहले you have this habit of saying you could say, right? फिर would का
Yeah.
भी मैंने will करा. So you are picking things nicely. That is very good about you. But
Yesterday
don't
I
become,
told my mother also that could is for past and can is for future.
yes, yes. So can is for present.
Yeah,
Could is
can
for
is for
past.
present.
हाँ. So I will tell you. आप समझो बट आप कॉन्शियस मत हो जाओ. उससे घबरा मत जाओ कि मैम वापस से मेरा गलत होगा, मैम वापस से मुझे ठीक कराएंगे. आई एम हियर टू करेक्ट यू ओनली. आप 1000 बार गलत बोलोगे मैं आपको 1000 बार ठीक करूंगी. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप डर डर के बोलो. यू हैव टू बी वेरी फ्लोई, यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्मूथ. गो विद द फ्लो लाइक रिवर. ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay, now today what we are going to do, like I said, now we are good with the fluency. Now our main concern is to improve your vocab and your improve your vocab. Your fluency is nice, so now our main focus is on to improve your vocab, which stands out, and you speak very nicely and very fluently without any hesitation and very confidently.
Okay.
That is one thing we have to do now. So for that, I have few synonyms of few words. अब जो वर्ड्स हम डे टू डे लाइफ में बोलते हैं उसको हम रिप्लेस करके what kind of other words that we can use without changing the meaning of that sentence, that is what we are going to do today. ठीक है. Now see, you already know what are synonyms and what are antonyms. Do you?
Ma'am, I have done these things, but I don't remember.
Very good. Very honest. Thank you. Synonyms are basically the words which have, see, it's clearly written. Synonyms are basically is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, big, huge. So big means bhi bada, huge means bhi bada. So these two are what synonyms. Small, tiny. Small is bhi chota, tiny is bhi chota. So they both have almost same or nearly the same meaning. So words, two words which have same or nearly the same meaning, they are known as synonyms. Okay, and two words which are totally opposite to each other, they are known as antonyms. For example, big, small. Big matlab bada, small matlab chota. So exact matlab totally opposite.
So
East,
big would
west.
be anonyms.
Big, small is antonym, matlab opposite word. Big and small, they are antonyms, matlab opposite words, which we have already
Yeah.
done in the school. Okay, synonyms means same meaning on it. They have the same meaning.
Okay. So anonyms would
Antonyms.
be
Antonyms.
antonyms would be big and small. Synonyms would be the words which have same meaning.
Yes, the words which have same meaning. Correct. Now, what are we going to do today is we are going to do this. Okay. Now see, we have a word nice. N-I-C-E, nice. Okay.
Nice.
These 6 words you see here are the synonym of this word nice. मतलब nice के जगह पे अगर आप likable लिखोगे, it would serve the same meaning. Nice के जगह आप kindly लिखोगे, it would serve the same meaning. Nice की place पे.
I think if if we, if we will say pleasant, so it would be right.
Yes, that is what I'm explaining you. Now listen. Nice and the synonym of nice are these 6 words: likable, kindly, compassionate, amiable, pleasant, or genial. Nice and this 6 word, they all have same meaning. This all 7 words, nice or ये 6
Okay.
जो है, they all have the exact same meaning. But
Hmm.
why are we studying this 6 word when we already know the meaning of nice? We are studying it because you have noticed this that day to day life mein we only use the word nice. Have you ever seen yourself using the word pleasant or compassionate or genial or amiable or likable? No,
And sometimes pleasant, but not the other word.
not the other ones, right? That is why we are going to learn this today. So now instead of saying that mama the dal is really nice, you can say the mama the dal was really pleasant in taste.
Okay, I will try
Yes,
today.
yes. Instead of saying that you are really nice person, you can say you are really kind person. So try to substitute this common word nice with this synonym of it, so that your vocabulary would improve a lot. Okay, आपकी जो vocab है वो ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी. It would look more finished. It would look more, you know, as if you are doing something in this language. Okay, so instead of the word nice, you can substitute this word with these words, these 6 words right here: likable, amiable, kindly, pleasant. Like, you know, when you have went for the shopping at the mall, you saw a pair of jeans and you are saying it to your dad that the jeans is really nice. Now instead of saying that the jeans is really nice, you can say that this jeans is really likable. Likable means you really like that jeans, you are planning to buy that jeans. So instead of saying that the jeans is really nice, we should
It's
buy
a good
it.
word.
Yeah, you can say the jeans is really likable. अच्छी लगी मुझे. I think we should really purchase it or buy it or go for it. You can substitute the words like that. Okay, instead of saying suppose for example, I'm just giving you an example. You like some person, okay, girl or boy, okay. So instead of saying that you are really a nice girl, you can say you are really a compassionate girl. Compassionate means आपकी और उसकी ज़्यादा बन रही है. You are bonding with that person really nicely. So instead of saying that you are really nice friend of mine, you can say you are really compassionate friend of mine, or you can say you are really kind friend of mine. So with the sense of the sentence, आपके sentence की जो sense बन रही है वो देख के substitute the word nice with any of these words. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubts? Any queries?
No, ma'am, not till now.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. What I was saying is कि what you'll do, आप क्या करोगे? मैं आपको ये PDF ही send कर दूँ so that you can refer it in your homework.
Ma'am, what will be the homework for today?
Your homework for today is you have to talk to your parents 24 hours in English only.
Okay.
Yeah. So
24 hours.
yes, 24
Till
hours.
12 o'clock.
Yes, we have class tomorrow also at 1 o'clock. So from 1 to 1. अभी तो मतलब class खत्म होगी. So let's say 2 o'clock. Say from 2 o'clock you will start speaking with your parents in English. Till 1 o'clock tomorrow 1 p.m. you will talk with your parents in English only. बीच में तो 12 hours so you will sleep only. Right from 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So you will sleep only.
Okay, it is fine.
Fine. And वैसे भी what do you talk with your parents? That don't do this, don't do that. Mama, I'm hungry. Please serve me some food, like that. So talk with your parents in English only, and ask your parents to talk with you also in English.
Because now English is a normal thing for me.
Yeah, not a big deal for you, right?
Yeah.
Yes. I was even planning to give you this homework that you have to substitute the word nice and you have to frame 6 sentences using these 6 words so that I can also understand if you have I can also
So when
know.
I would be doing this 24-hour challenge,
I
24
will
hours
be.
speaking.
Then I will be. I told you would is past, will is present or future. So when I'll be doing this 24
Okay.
hours challenge.
When I'll be doing this 24-hour challenge, you are saying that I have to use these words.
Yes. Actually, I was not saying that. My homework was something different, but you gave me nice idea. So yeah, we'll stick to your idea now.
Okay.
My homework was that you have to speak with your parents for 24 hours in English and then you have to write 6 sentences using the 6 words, substituting nice. But your idea is much better now. Now you have to use this nice word and instead of nice, you can use these 6 words and you can talk with your parents using these 6 words. So, kabhi bhi you have to say, suppose your mom made rajma chawal, they were very tasty. So you have...
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so instead of saying it that it's really tasty, you can say it's really delicious. You can say it was really pleasant in taste. You can use words like
Or
this.
I can say my father that this chair is likable for me.
Yes, yes, yes. So you have to like substitute the word
Ma'am, what
nice.
is amiably? Amiably?
Amiable means displaying a friendly and pleasant emotion. Whenever you're having a very friendly and pleasant emotion, it's basically amiable.
Amiable.
Yeah, you are my amiable student. Like you are my friendly student. You are a student who's very friendly with me, very pleasant with me, like that. So amiable is for that.
Okay.
Genial means the same. All of this means the same only, some or other way. So instead of using nice, you can use this six words. Okay. Do you want to write it down in a paper so that you can remember while you are writing, or आपकी
No,
memory
ma'am.
is
Please, you send me this PPT.
okay? Okay, chalo. Next we
I
have
will, if I want to, so I will see this PPT for a moment.
okay. Next is angry. Angry is also a word that we use in our day-to-day life. That I'm very angry at you. So instead of angry, you can say I'm very furious at you.
I'm very cross at you.
No, cross at you नहीं. I'm very cross-minded at you. Angry-minded. मैं आपसे बहुत
Okay.
गुस्सा हूँ. So I'm very
You
cross-minded
you
with you.
always irritate me.
Yes, you always irritate me. Then your behavior is very indignant. Indignant means your behavior is हाँ जो जिससे आपको गुस्सा आता है.
Undisciplined.
Yes, very good, very good. So instead of angry, you have like the 6 words.
Irritated. Okay.
Irrite and irritated both are the same. They have just written it over here to make 6 words, but irrite and irritated are same. Irrite is verb and irritated is the past verb of irrite. So this both are same only.
Okay.
Irrite and irritated. Furious means angry. Cross means don't cross-minded me. मतलब मेरे दिमाग को ज़्यादा गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Indignant means undisciplined. You are very furious with the way the person behaves. You are very angry with the way the person behaves. So indignant means that. Irritated, so you already know what is irritated means. And vexed means also angry. You are being very angry at the person. So vexed, vexed, vexed means also the same thing. Understood?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Vexed means, rather very problematic. So, for example, your behavior is very problematic. Okay. The way you behave in the house is very problematic. So, instead of saying this in a normal way, that the way you behave in the class is very problematic, you can say your behavior is very vexed. Vexed means a very problematic behavior. So, you can say your behavior is very vexed. Stop behaving in a vexed manner. So, this is all I have to explain. Any doubt with these 6 words?
No, ma'am. These are good words. I like these words.
Very good. Choose an appropriate synonym of the following sentence. Okay, choose the antonym.
Okay.
Okay, Amir was happy that he passed his piano exam. Any synonym you have for happy? Any synonym you can think of happy? HAPPY happy का कोई any synonym that you can think of happy का कोई synonym that you can think of?
Ma'am, like same meaning.
हाँ, same. Amir was happy that he passed his piano exam. So any word which you can use to substitute the word happy? Amir was very
No, ma'am.
joyful. Amir was very joyful that he passed his piano exam. Amir was very cheerful that he passed his piano exam. Amir was very merry that he passed his piano exam. These 3 are the words which you can use for happy. Cheerful, merry, joyful.
And joyful.
Yes. Fantastic तो हमने अभी किया, right? ऊपर. You know, fantastic हमने अभी किया है. So any word that you can use instead of fantastic? 6 words that we
Ma'am,
did.
fantastic. For fantastic, we can use pleasant.
The view was pleasant when
kindly.
we. No, kind would not fit here. The view was kind when we.
Compassionately.
Pleasant is nice. Pleasant is nice. The view
And
was
ma'am,
pleasant.
compassionate. What is that word?
Compassionate. See,
Compassion.
Kanish, compassionate, amiable, and genial. These three words are used for the friendly relations. Okay, for example, your dad is very nice and friendly with you. So you can say my dad is very compassionate with me. जब आप कोई दो रिलेशंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तब जो नाइस वर्ड होता है उसको आप कंपैशनेट, एमिएबल या जेन्युइन के साथ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. एंड द वर्ड्स लाइक प्लेजेंट, फैंटास्टिक, नाइस, वो आप कोई टेस्ट है, कोई व्यू है, कोई मूवी है, उसके लिए, ठीक है, उसके लिए अगर आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है तब आप ये कर सकते हो. So for fantastic, you can use pleasant, you can use nice, you can use words like that. Compassionate won't fit here because can you see any relations between two things over here? No. This sentence simply means that the view at the London Eye was very nice. So fantastic ki jagah you can also use incredible because it was really nice, incredible. You can also use breathtaking because view itna acha tha. You can also use pleasant because view was that nice. You can simply use nice also for that.
You can say awesome.
Yes, awesome is also correct. Yes. Pata chala the difference when to use these three words, when to use these three words?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Likeable for anything you like.
Yes. Amiable, genial, and compassionate for?
Ma'am, can you say it again?
Amiable, compassionate, and genial. When do we use these three words?
For any friend,
Friendly
relation.
relations. Yeah, whenever you're talking about some relations. Friendly,
Okay.
any kind of
relationship.
Huh.
Any relationship.
Yes. And this fantastic, awesome, incredible, breathtaking, nice, kind. When do we use such words? When we are talking about a view. Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking in between.
रुको एक second. Is it clear? Is it coming clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I was saying कि fantastic, nice, kind, incredible, breathtaking, awesome. When do we use such words?
Something which is surprising for you.
नहीं बाबा, surprising के साथ साथ when you're talking about some kind of taste, some kind of
Looks
view.
good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Something which looks good.
Then see, you also, I'm going to send you this also. This whole PDF I'm going to send you so you can refer. Instead of using unusual, you can use the word peculiar. Instead of using the word beautiful, you can use the word exquisite. Mom, you're looking exquisite today. Beautiful की जगह आप exquisite भी use कर सकते हो.
Ma'am, these are compulsory words.
Compulsory मतलब?
That I have to say these words.
No, not compulsory. I'm just giving you an idea. Okay?
Example.
हाँ, कि आप ये वर्ड्स को सब्स्टिट्यूट करके ये वर्ड्स बोलो तो आपकी वोकेबुलरी ज्यादा अच्छी लगेगी. फ्रेंडली की जगह आप एमिएबल बोल दो. दैट माय मैम्स नेचर इज वेरी फ्रेंडली. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट यू कैन से माय मैम्स नेचर इज वेरी एमिएबल. तो उससे क्या लगेगा कि आपकी स्पोकन काफी अच्छी हो गई है. योर वोकेबुलरी आल्सो हैज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. So instead of saying friendly, you can say amiable. Instead of saying I'm feeling very grumpy today, you can say irritable. और irritable की जगह आप substitute करके grumpy बोल सकते हो. You know, when I wake up from sleep in the middle of the night, I feel very grumpy. मतलब मुझे बहुत irritation होती है जब मैं बीच नींद में सूती हूँ तो. So instead of saying irritated, you can use the word grumpy. That I feel very grumpy when I'm hungry. I feel very grumpy when I don't get my things done. So instead of irritated or irritable, you can use the word grumpy. Instead of excited, that I'm very excited for the class today, you can say I'm very exuberant for the class today. So you know, they start exuberant. Initially, Kanishk, I'll be very honest. Yes, I'll be very honest with you. Starting with this all would be very tough for you, and you'll be like, "Yaar, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Why am I doing this? What is the need of doing this?" But believe me, once you'll have a hold on this ना, तो आपको फिर ये normal words use करने नहीं अच्छे लगेंगे. You won't like to use word beautiful or friendly or irritated like that. You will have this habit of using exquisite instead of beautiful, amiable instead of friendly, grumpy instead of irritated. You will have this habit of speaking words like this. So धीरे
Okay.
धीरे धीरे will go. I'm not even expecting you to just start off like that. धीरे धीरे will go and will grow in this class together. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts, queries?
No, ma'am.
No, I'm sending you this PDF. 2 बजे से पहले तो I guess I'll send it to you. Hopefully अगर ये जल्दी से convert हो जाए तो maximum before 3
Okay.
o'clock I will. But your homework
Okay.
you already know. You have to talk to your parents in English for 24 hours with not the usual
Let me
vocabulary.
write it also if I would don't remember it.
If I won't remember it, okay. You have to talk to your parents in English for 24 hours, not with the usual vocabulary, with the vocabulary which I have taught you today.
Okay.
Exquisite words.
Okay. Ma'am, till tomorrow, what time?
1 p.m.
From today 2 p.m.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll see you tomorrow 1 p.m. with the feedback form of how you did 24 hours में, and I'll see you
Okay.
tomorrow.
Done.
हाँ, PUBG में भी when you're playing PUBG or Minecraft whatever with your friends, you are not allowed to speak in Hindi. You have to talk in English only. भले फिर उन लोग को समझ आए ना आए, you have to talk in English only. ठीक है? Yeah, if they ask कि कनिष्क भाई यार हिंदी में बता क्या बोला तूने, तो tell them कि search it on Google. You'll find the results. You'll find the answer. You are not allowed to explain them in Hindi. So you have to
Okay.
talk with your friends and
Done.
everyone. हाँ, okay. I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Okay.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.